All right, I'm gonna show you how to reprogram your Kwikset SmartKey. You need three things. One is the keys you want it to be keyed to, the existing key, and this little SmartKey tool. Now, if you lost this, you can get them on Amazon. They're like $2-3, and there's a link below in the description. All right, so here's what you do. It's programmed to this key right now. So slide that in, turn it 90 degrees. Take your tool, put it in this little slot, and you're going to hear it click. All right, slide this out. Take your new keys, put it in all the way. Turn it to the right, test it, good to go. All right, and lastly, I would take the old key and just make sure that it no longer works. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.